Hi, welcome to my channel where I help you to turn your creative ideas into reality. My name is Swati Bise, founder of Finesse Fashion Academy, a digital fashion learning platform. In this series, I will guide you through four key elements of fashion design: line, shape, color, and texture, and how by using them you can create your own fashion design collection. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the key elements of fashion design, that is line. Whether you're sketching or designing a garment, understanding lines will help you to create a structure and flow in your collection. So let's grab a notepad and get started. Let's start with the first design fundamental, lines. Lines are the fundamental blocks of design. They can evoke emotions and they can convey messages. They guide viewers' eyes and create visual interests. They also emphasize or minimize body parts. Style lines. Style line is a seam in a garment which is primarily made for the purpose of its visual effect rather than shaping of the structuring the garment. We have the classic princess style line, we have armor princess style line, and we have the panel style line. There are two types of style lines. One that incorporates darts, which are dart equivalent, and they give a shape to a garment. And those that are purely for interest, they are not dart equivalent, they only create visual effect. Now let us see how different types of lines create different effects. Lines influence silhouette of a garment as well. So vertical lines. Vertical lines are elegant and height. They give an elegance and they give a height to the person who is wearing it. Wearer looks taller and slimmer. Whereas horizontal lines, they create a balance and relaxation. And they also may make a wearer look wider and shorter than the actual size. Diagonal lines create a dynamic energy. They add movement, interest, and drama to a garment. They can be figure flattering also, leading to viewers' eyes away from any challenges in a figure. Curved lines, they have softness, femininity, and movement. And these curved lines are mostly of the soft fabric. They can add a soft touch. They can evoke a feeling of romance and beauty. And these can be found in details like frills and lace, and structures also, such as necklines, hemlines, and sleeves. Then we have the zigzag lines, which have vibrancy and playfulness. They express excitement and drama. Exploring use of lines in print and pattern designs. Lines are not only restricted to construction of a garment. They can also be used in print and patterns, like how we see in these images over here. So we see the horizontal and the vertical lines being used together. Then we have only the horizontal lines and we have the only vertical lines. And there are some lines in the third image where there are big verticals and there are small verticals. So which give a different effect to the garment totally. So you see the stop over there in the third image, which has a flowy type of thing. So which we may call as a curved lines. Again, we in this picture, in these images, we see three different types of garments and three different types of lines. Like the first one is the vertical lines, the second is horizontal, and then you see there are some haphazard, images in the jacket, and the third one is the horizontal line. So each giving its own visual effect to the garment. In this outfit, if we see, there are different types of stripes used in one outfit itself. The top yoke is made of horizontal. The second also is made of horizontal, but these horizontal lines have more space in between. And the next is a diagonal, again of two types, where there is small space and there are big spaces among the lines. So this gives another visual effect for the garment. So if you see this picture, we know the types of lines and the roles they play. For example, a plain dress. Then we have the vertical straight line, which gives a more height to the wearer. Then we have the horizontal straight lines, which gives a little shorter look. Then we have the diagonal straight lines, and we also have pockets and belts that create horizontal effect. Then we have the vertical button and the horizontal waist, okay, which give another effect. And then finally we have the diagonal curve. So all these different types of lines, they give a different visual effect for a viewer who is looking at the person who is wearing these types of outfits. So that's it for part 1. Remember, lines are the foundation of your design. They help create structure, guide the eye, and bring your sketches to reality. Stay tuned for part 2, the power of colors in fashion design. In our next video, we will explore how colors transform your design and sets mood for your collection. So see you in part 2. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.